Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this video, we're going to learn about use the inspect pages and their features, which is the part of MB800 perform basic tasks in Business Central. So you go to find inspect pages. Obviously, you need to click this sign, and then you go help and support. So this page is very important. Obviously, mostly people don't know it, they don't really use it. So it's going to tell you about accountant, what is accountant, or if you need help, or any blogs you want to see, or anything coming soon, you can see that. Second, do more with your trial, request partner contact. Obviously, if you're using a trial version, you can request for extension, you can extend the trial version, or you can click business consultant services. So if you click that, that will show you different consultancy options, these people are obviously selling these areas, connectors and Dynamics 3 CRM EFP and £15,000. So obviously, if you want to sell yourself, you can sell it here as well. So that's the important part. I just take the basic information. I won't go too deep in that. We'll close that. And then obviously, if you're going to give feedback, you can give feedback as well. So troubleshooting side, this is important as well. So it gives you the Business Central version and with the last known error. Let's click that. So no errors occurred since you last logged in. Okay, that's fine. And second one is inspect pages and data. If you click that, that shows you the inspection of this page. So it's showing up here. Accountant role center, that's the 9020, and obviously role center number. And the important one, very important one I like here is if you want to export this page in Visual Code, Visual Studio Code, and if you got Visual Studio Code installed, you can click that and it will ask you whether you want to open in Visual Studio Code. Yes, here we go. That's it. So accountant role center, it gives you all this information about this page, because obviously if you want to change anything in the page, you can, if you know about programming in Visual Studio Code. So you can go to this and you can change any information according to you. If you want to change the design, or if you want to customize anything, you can do that. So let's say if we click chart of accounts here, so look at this field, this page inspection is going to change all the fields as well. So you see you got different fields, table fields, extensions, what table fields are here. So you can see all the table fields, which are very important, and you can see the extensions, which are extensions stored here for this, obviously chart of accounts. You can do page filters if you want to filter anything or anything from this page. You can see that. Obviously, this is giving you sheet account number as well. That's the table. And same thing, explore this page in Visual Studio. If you want to do that, you can do that. And it will ask you want to do that. Yes, you can do that. So here we go. It says chart of accounts. This is the information about chart of accounts. So we've got different repeaters and areas, and obviously you got different fields. You need to select there, and lists and everything is there. So if you know anything about triggering, obviously the Visual Studio Code, you can find the information, and if you want to change it, you can change that. I like that feature. So similarly, if you want to go somewhere else, let's say we go back to Equinus and say customers, and click customers. Obviously the inspection page, we will change everything. Obviously if you want to see the table fields, you can find the table fields here. You want to see installing extensions for this page, you can see that here as well. So basically the page inspection feature enables you to get details about a page, providing insight into the page design, the different elements that comprise the page, and the source behind the data displays. I mean, this inspection is specially designed for administrators, power users, support personals, or developers. You can see that obviously with developers as well. So it's ideal for learning the data model behind the page and troubleshooting if you want to troubleshoot. For example, if you're experiencing any problem with the page, you can use the page inspection to get information to pass on to your system administrator or support personnel. And the next few fields: analyze performance. This is performance profiler. We will see in another video. That's enable additional login. If you click that, it will ask you if you want to do that. Do you want to activate additional logging in current session for the next 15 minutes? If you want to do that, you can click yes. And if you want to attach the figure to this session, obviously this will take you to the Visual Code as well. Visual Studio Code again. So hope you understand the basics of inspection side and help and support page. Very important. Mostly people don't even see that and don't even know about that. So if it's a part of MD800, you can have a question from this page as well. And thanks for watching.